ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस. ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस मींस हैज अ वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? कितना ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है ना स्पेस, है कि नहीं? अल्टीमेटली तो वही होता है. Yes, if density is constant. चलो, so matter is something that occupies space and has a mass.
तो ऐसे क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं वॉल्यूम एंड मास?
क्योंकि ना बहुत लोग वॉल्यूम का मतलब समझ नहीं आता. वॉल्यूम एक्चुअली मींस हाउ मच स्पेस इट ऑक्यूपाइज. That's confusing. Now matter, when we talk about matter is distributed as pure substances. What are pure substances? Pure substances are substances which are wrong. Pure substances are substances which are made up of a single type of atom or molecule. Like pure water will be made up of a single type of molecule which is H2O. Pure oxygen gas will be made of a single type of matter which is oxygen. Pure
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड.
Carbon dioxide is made of carbon dioxide. And what about pure gold? Pure gold. When you buy gold, now they say 24 carat gold. That means it is only 24. Out of 25, 25 carat is pure gold. 100% AU. AU है ना गोल्ड का सिंबल. लेकिन 25 कैरेट कभी सुना है कैसे?
मिलेगा
नहीं. क्यों नहीं मिलता है? Because gold is so soft as a metal. You have to mix other metals to make it little harder. So that ऐसा पहना मैंने कान का, ऐसा पहन के मैं निकली घर से, वो बन गया क्ले जैसा ऐसे. तो चलेगा क्या? हम लोगों को शेप ही चेंज होता रहेगा. तो for it to retain shape and the design that we are given, we have to make it impure. So can I say 24 carat gold is impure because that is AU mixed with some other substance, not pure. But when we talk about pure iron slab, iron rod, pure, what is it made up of? Fe. जिधर से भी तू एक मॉलिक्यूल उठाए, तो सॉरी जिधर से भी एटम उठाए वो Fe का ही होगा कि नहीं? या कहीं कहीं बीच में H2O रहेगा? Fe रहेगा. So what are pure substances? They are made of same type of atom or molecule. दोनों लिखना जरूरी है ना? सिर्फ एटम वाले सब्सटेंसेस प्योर नहीं होते, मॉलिक्यूल वाले सब्सटेंसेस भी प्योर होते. Same type of
chemical composition.
Yes, correct. Same type of atoms and molecule in fixed proportions. Same type of atoms or molecules in fixed proportions. Is this clear?
तो अगर हमें पूछा कि गोल्ड प्योर होता है,
गोल्ड पूछेंगे तो उधर लिखेंगे 24 कैरेट, 25 कैरेट या 24 कैरेट गोल्ड. 24 कैरेट तक प्योर गोल्ड. 22 कैरेट इज द वन दैट वी नो. ओके. 24. नाउ लेट्स गो.
इम्प्योर होता है.
हां, तुम लोग को गोल्ड का ऐसे एम्बिगुअस क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे ही नहीं. लोग बोलेंगे प्योर गोल्ड विदाउट एनी इम्प्योरिटी, वो लिखेंगे तो पता ही चल गया प्योर हो गया. तो इसलिए गोल्ड का सवाल पूछेंगे. व्हाट विल दे आस्क? ब्रास. क्या है ब्रास? प्योर है या इम्प्योर? प्योर में है
या एलॉय.
ब्रास इज एन एलॉय. Alloys are not pure. They are made of two different substances, copper and brass. बोलो, brass is made up of copper and
brass.
Copper and brass के साथ बनता है. वाह वाह वाह. Zinc and copper in a fixed proportion. But कहीं से निकालो तो zinc निकलेगा, कहीं से निकालो तो copper निकलेगा. Can we call it pure? No. Are they in a chemical combination? Is it a compound? No. It is only physically mixed together. Therefore, we call it what? We call it we don't call it a compound. We call it a mixture of two elements. It is an impure substance. Pure substance is H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen has undergone a chemical change or not? H2O से H निकाल के separate कर सकते हैं क्या अपन? लेकिन मेरे alloys जो zinc और copper का alloy है उसमें कहीं से zinc निकलेगा, कहीं से copper. Zinc और alloy तो compound form नहीं किए है ना? Do you understand what I am saying? So what are impure substances?
हम इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस हम H2O को भी सेपरेट कर सकते हैं.
लेकिन इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस है केमिकल और इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा. प्रोसेस तो कुछ भी सेपरेट करते हैं. मैं भी जरा दांत सेपरेट कर सकता हूं तेरे मुंह से. कर रही हो क्या? हां. इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस क्या होता है? इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस आर मेड अप ऑफ टू और मोर प्योर सब्सटेंसेस. राइट? मेड अप ऑफ
टू और
मोर प्योर सब्सटेंसेस इन एनी proportion.
हां.
In any proportion.
Together in any.
Yes. Pure substances mixed in any proportion. So what will be the example example of pure substances, iron rod, iron rod, Fe का rod, फिर can I say pure water or distilled water, है कि नहीं? Oxygen gas. What about air?
Impure.
Impure. Air is impure. Air is impure. What about air is impure? Can I say sea water is also impure?
Salted water.
Sea water is impure. What else is impure? Alloys are impure. Any metal alloys are impure. Right? Now, impure substances, they are divided in 4 segments. Elements, sorry, we are talking about elements and compounds. They are the 2 components. It can be atom or molecules. Atom belong to elements. Atom is the smallest particle of an element, and molecule is the smallest particle of a compound. Isn't it? So we will break it down into elements
And compound.
and compounds. Right? Elements and compounds. So in elements and compounds, what are elements? Tell me. Substances made up of only one kind of atom.
And cannot divide further.
Yes.
Any chemical.
नहीं, elements can divide further. Atom का definition बोलने मतलब.
And they are specified heating.
Yes, they are fixed boiling point, fixed melting point. We'll come to that later. But element का definition क्या होगा? Substances made of only one kind of atom. Everyone following?
Yes, ma'am.
And what are compounds? The compounds are substances which are made up of different kinds of atom or 2 or more different kinds of atom, but in fixed proportion. H2O कभी H3O नहीं हो सकता. NaCl कभी Na2Cl3 नहीं हो सकता. NaCl is NaCl. हाँ.
But वो in fixed elements होता है ना, 2 or more elements.
2 or more elements in a fixed proportion. वही atom का, अरे element का ही तो atom होता है. Atom तो element को ही belong करता है. So compound किससे बनते हैं? Compound is the father of whom? Molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. And compounds are made up of many such molecules. Millions and millions molecules. Water has millions of H2O molecules. So basic उसका क्या है? Molecule ही है ना compound का. So compounds are made of 2 or more
Compound.
in
In a fixed proportion.
in a fixed proportion. And also remember, compound happens when when we form compounds in fixed proportion, it undergoes chemical reaction. So either heat is absorbed, delta मतलब heat, or heat is released.
Minus delta.
Yes, heat is either absorbed or heat is released. Right? उसको water को, and properties of compounds are completely different from the properties of the elements that are the atoms it is made of. Properties of compound.
आपने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट दिखाया था जिसमें रिलीज होगा.
हाँ, दिखाऊंगी बात. कभी chemical reactions करवाऊंगी, फिर तुझे भी देखने मिलेगा. Properties of compounds. इधर रहो ना थोड़ा. Are completely different from the elements that is used to form them. I will give you an example. NaCl. कौन से एलिमेंट से बना है NaCl? Sodium and chlorine से. Chlorine is a highly poisonous gas. And so Na is also highly reactive metal. But NaCl तो हम लोग खाते हैं. We eat. So it is absolutely neutral. Salt, common salt is NaCl. We eat it. Do we get poisoned? Do we start burning?
Yes. Even H2O, hydrogen.
Hydrogen is a gas. Oxygen is a gas. H2O is liquid. So properties of the compound is completely different from the elements that is made up of. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Excellent. Oh, very good. चुप करो. अभी देखो. Compounds हो गया. Elements को हम further divide करते हैं into 4 segments. Metals, मेरा फोन लेके आना. Metals.
Non-metals, minerals and elements.
Non-metals. Come on, you should know this. 7th standard में पढ़ा है. Metals, non-metals, come back. Metals, non-metals, metalloids.
Noble gas.
and noble gases. Metals क्या होते हैं? They are ductile, they are malleable. What are ductile and malleable? They can be given different shapes and they can be beaten into sheets. Metals are sonorous. Sonorous मतलब क्या? Sound travels through it very fast. Metals are monoatomic. Do we write Na2? No, but we write Cl2, na? So non-metals can be diatomic, but metals are always monoatomic. So metals are monoatomic. Metals are ductile and malleable. Very good. Correct. Ductile, malleable, sonorous. Good conductors of both heat and electricity. Have you ever entered the kitchen in your lives? Very good. कभी भी ऐसा करछी जो होता है लैडल उसको छोड़ दिया कढ़ाई में, उसके बाद हाथ में लगा चटका, जंप किया कि नहीं? मैंने किया, मुझे लग रहा है किचन में।
अरे मैम
जाते ही नहीं।
तो it's a good conductor of heat also. Good conductor, that means good conductor of heat as well as electricity. Non-metals. Metals का एग्जाम्पल क्या हुआ? सोडियम, पोटेशियम, जिंक, आयरन, गोल्ड, मर्क्यूरी. These are all examples of metals, isn't it? They are all monoatomic. Non-metals are polyatomic. Polyatomic मतलब क्या? More than one. Like oxygen has 2 atoms. Ozone has 3 atoms. Ozone पता है? दो से ज्यादा. Always दो से ज्यादा. तो polyatomic. See, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, pentaatomic कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. एक से ज्यादा हुआ तो मैं poly लिख रही हूँ. Because they have more than one.
मैम ओजोन लेयर है.
Ozone is a layer, but ozone is O3. So can I say it is triatomic? Let's talk about phosphorus. Phosphorus is tetraatomic. 4 tetraatomic. Let's talk about sulfur. Sulfur is octaatomic. Mono, bi or di, tri, tetra, penta. What will this be?
हेक्टा.
Hexa. Hexa, hepta. 7 हुआ हेप्टा, उसके बाद हुआ ऑक्टा, उसके बाद क्या होगा? नैनो, उसके बाद हुआ डेका.
मैम 9 का वो होता है.
नहीं है 9 वाला, कोई 8 का है. आप लोग ये सिर्फ याद रखो. Only remember these. They are bad conductors of electricity generally. Bad conductors.
मैम जनरली मैम ये ऑक्सीजन का है ना.
Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Non-metal है. Graphite is a good conductor. Carbon fiber. Carbon is a non-metal. But carbon fiber is that malleable. Exceptions हर चीज में होते हैं बेटा. General observation है. They are non-sonorous. And they are neither ductile, generally neither ductile nor malleable. But exceptions do persist. Now let's come to my metalloids. Metalloids are what? Very easy to remember. They show properties of both metals and non-metals.
मैं बोल कर एग्जांपल क्या है?
बोरॉन,
Antimony,
बोरॉन,
silicon,
सिलिकॉन,
boron, silicon, antimony, arsenic, germanium. These are all examples of metalloids. Tellurium. Only remember germanium, silicon, arsenic, boron. Enough. Properties of both metals and non-metals. They can be monoatomic. दोनों का properties है, तो they can be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, any atomic. Can't say any. Noble gases always in gaseous state. अच्छा, non-metals. Another important thing. Metals are always solids. ना generally they are solids ना. Non-metals can be solids, liquids or gases. Noble gases, Ramme gases.
Yes.
So they are monoatomic gases. You know why they are monoatomic gases? Can anyone tell me?
Yeah, because they don't react with anything.
Noble gases have a complete octet. They are inert gases, so they don't react with anyone. React नहीं किया तो बनेगा कैसे CH? कैसे बनेगा? Ne2 कैसे बनेगा? उसको तो react करना पड़ेगा ना दूसरे.
हीलियम कैसे बनता है?
Helium का He hydrogen से. That is nuclear fusion, different topic. Monoatomic gases. Monoatomic gases, they are unreactive. Always gaseous.
They are found in
Found in traces in air. Very easy ना this chapter? Very easy chapter. Now pure substance में elements हो गए, compounds का कोई classification नहीं है. Compounds.
हम 9th में मैटर चलेगा.
हाँ, 9th से और no more matter. I will be the happiest person. But every year for 8th kids I have to teach matter. And every year I say the same thing that I will be the luckiest person. Like I never have to teach matter. चलो impure substances जो है ना मेरे, अभी impure substances का अच्छा compound के दो वैरायटी है, आप लोगों को ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं है, but I will still explain. Compounds are of two types: organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Easy आप लोगों को बताओ, easy definition. आपको definition वगैरह नहीं आएगा, but you would want to know ना. Organic compounds are, कौन बता सकता है ये क्या है?
जो ऑर्गेनिकली
C6H12 C6H12O6 क्या होता है? जल्दी बताओ. Glucose. Can you see a C and H present in it together? Now tell me NaCl. NaCl में C और H कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? Will there be any bond between carbon and hydrogen? Organic compounds are also called as hydrocarbons. What are they called?
Hydrocarbons.
So basically, any compound which is made with a hydrogen and carbon present in it, or hydrogen and carbon chains. These are chains that are कितना सारा carbon है, कितने सारे hydrogen. They are called organic compounds. And compounds which do not have.
For example,
Some example दे दो. सब एक बहुत example दे दो. Do not have carbon hydrogen bonds. जैसे H2O, coming. H2O, can I say any कोई भी compound बोलो, CaCO3, कार्बन तो है लेकिन हाइड्रोजन है कहीं नहीं है. CO2, कार्बन है, हाइड्रोजन है कहीं.
SiO2.
आप बोलो समझ गए? इसका और एग्जांपल तो मीथेन सुना कभी? मीथेन गैस, गंदा स्मेल, CH4, C और H बॉन्ड है कि नहीं? एसिटिक एसिड का नाम सुना है आपने? एसिटिक एसिड क्या होता है वो?
CH3COOH.
CH3COOH. C और H के बीच में बॉन्ड है कि नहीं है?
हाँ.
This is also organic. Understood?
And acetic acid means vinegar.
Vinegar, correct.
No. For hydro.
I will bring you back in 10th standard. Why only? I will answer this question. I will answer this question. It's an entire science.
Not minus लिखा है.
Organic compound. किधर minus?
H के बाद.
H के बाद minus क्या होगा?
अरे माइनस होता है ना, नेगेटिव का.
CH2COOH. Acetic acid is an acid.
नहीं है, माइनस होता है ना.
COOH के बाद होता है वो. लेकिन मैंने तो CH3 का बॉन्ड बना दिया इन लोगों का. अरे CH3 is positive and COOH is negative. दोनों मिलके कंपाउंड बन गए ना, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नलीफाई हो गया. एसिटिक एसिड इज अ कंपाउंड. ऐसा नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज लेके वो दुनिया में नहीं घूमता है.
अब हमने लास्ट में CH3COOH माइनस.
COO